Hello, this is Brian from Geopath, and today we'll be talking about the different attribute filters in the Insight Suite. Within the Filter Inventory tab, you'll find the Media Attributes filters. Generally, the Media Attributes filters allow you to filter on different pieces of metadata. For example, in the Digital Attributes filter, you can see several different options that apply to digital media, such as audio, full video, partial motion, or interactive. The orientation filter is helpful if you're trying to filter to a specific direction that the inventory faces. You can use the Spot Dimensions filter to pull up inventory that falls within a certain size range. The Spot Length filter will help you filter for inventory based on how long each digital flip is. You can use this slider in the Illuminated Hours filter to select specific times of day when the piece of media will be illuminated. Using the rotating filter, you can select for inventory that has changing ads, such as digital displays or Trivision boards. Finally, the Audit Status filter allows you to select for inventory based on its internal audit status. For example, if you'd like to see inventory that has published measures, you can select Measured here and hit Apply.